pay attention to email deliverability. Email deliverability is crucial to your campaign success. It doesn't matter how interesting or beautiful your emails are. If subscribers never see them, they won't convert. Many marketers think only their email service provider handles email deliverability, but it goes beyond that. Your email content, frequency, and list building methods all impact your deliverability. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs, to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.